guys, Stock Curry here, and I've got some really exciting news. I have finalized a deal with ZipTrader to get you guys a discount for his training course. Guys, he has probably got one of the best training courses out there for new traders. It's at a really good deal already, but I've worked out a discount for you guys. Now, I've still got a few things I need to finalize on my end, but tomorrow I'm going to let you guys know what the discount is and how to take advantage of it. Pretty much every single newbie question that you guys have asked me in the comments or that you guys have sent me personally, almost every single question you guys have sent me, ZipTrader covers it in his course. So it's a great course if you're just getting started with trading and you need to know how to actually trade in the market, what all these technical indicators mean, how to find good stock picks, when to buy, when to sell, how much diversification you should do, all that stuff. He covers it in his course. So I'm really excited that we were able to work out a deal, and I can't wait to share it with you guys tomorrow. So let's get right into today's stock picks. We're going to try to keep today's video a little bit shorter so that you guys can finalize your research for Monday and make some money. All right, for those of you who are new to this channel, my name is Stock Curry. I used to work as an analyst for some large investment banks, and now I analyze stock picks on YouTube. I compile all of my analysis into a daily video that I post right here on this channel. I spend hours every day watching YouTube videos so that you don't have to. All you have to do is watch this one video each day, and you will get every single stock pick from the top 10 YouTubers. All I ask in return is that you hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that you can get notified when I release my next video. In fact, I'll give you 5 seconds to do that right now. All right, before we get to today's stock picks, I just want to remind everyone that I am not a financial advisor and none of the YouTubers I follow are financial advisors either. Today's video is strictly for entertainment purposes only. For those of you who are wondering, I'm currently using the Webull desktop app in all of my videos. It is also the app that I use for all of my trading. All right, let's get into today's stock picks. First up is CCIV. This is a SPAC rumored to be merging with Lucid Motors. Lucid Motors is an American EV company and a competitor to Tesla. StockMo discussed the Bloomberg article that came out and the possible merger announcement on Tuesday. Different rumor articles have the valuation at different amounts, but they are all still running between $12 billion and $15 billion. StockMo said that CCIV might go up to $70 if the valuation comes in at $15 billion and up to $85 if the valuation comes in at $12 billion. But those price targets are based upon investors giving Lucid a $100 billion valuation, and investors might value Lucid even higher. Now, StockMo went into significantly more detail in about a 20-minute video that he uploaded Sunday morning. So if you want the full analysis on possible CCIV price targets, I recommend you watch StockMo's video that he uploaded Sunday morning. Keenan Grace also let us know that large institutions have call options on CCIV, and that is a very bullish sign. He also mentioned the same thing that I've been thinking about over the past few days. Just because most SPACs sell off after a merger announcement and then rise back up and then sell off again after a merger does not mean that CCIV will do that. This is not like other SPACs. Think about post-merger announcement. Most SPACs sell off for 2 to 7 days after a merger confirmation. But in this case, there are a lot of large institutions that are waiting for the merger confirmation to buy in because they don't want to take the risk of the negotiations falling through. So CCIV might not actually sell off post-merger confirmation. We just don't know. This is the biggest SPAC of the century. Finally, ZipTrader said that we now have a merger announcement date, which is Tuesday. Now, obviously, that's no guarantee, but it does look like we'll get a merger confirmation sometime this week. ZipTrader also said that merger confirmation price target of $70 to $80 was probably a little low, but we'll have to see what happens. Once the merger is confirmed, we will be able to determine an actual value based upon delivery numbers and the company as a whole. Next up is CLOV. This is Clover Health, and this is a Medicare Advantage provider. ZipTrader said that amongst good deal stocks, CLOV is one of the best. I will remind you that yesterday I showed how CLOV bounced off of support twice, and that is a very strong sign that we are at the bottom. I lowered my buy-enter price to $11.50, but honestly, anything below $13 is still a great deal. Next up is DKNG. This is DraftKings, and they're an online sports betting company. ZipTrader reminded us that DKNG will be reporting earnings on Friday and that he has a $90 price target on DKNG. That is slightly below Chris Sain's price target of $100. Now, DraftKings is a very volatile stock. It often drops down to the 50-day EMA, which is the blue line, and sometimes drops down to the 100-day EMA, which is the green line. ZipTrader reminded everyone to buy the dips on this stock and just hold. I will remind you that this is a long-term hold for StockMo also. Next up is IDEX. This is Ideanomics, and they make a wireless charging station for EVs similar to how your phone charges on a wireless charging pad. ZipTrader said IDEX is getting into a good deal range, but warned that you do need a strong stomach for volatility if you're going to buy IDEX. I will let you know that the technicals point to continued downward pressure on IDEX with a bottom somewhere between $3.30 and $3.50. So I'm going to give you a buy-in price of $3.65, an ideal buy-in price of $3.45, and a stop-loss price of $2.95. I will also give you a price target of $5.40. Next up are IPOD and IPOF. These are SPACs and they have no merger targets yet. ZipTrader reminded everyone about these SPACs today. He said that when they do decide who they to merge with, they're going to pick up in a massive way. Next up is JMIA. This is JMIA, and they're an African e-commerce company similar to Amazon. ZipTrader reminded us that JMIA will be reporting earnings on February 24th and that JMIA is in some of the wealthiest cities in Africa. They also have a near monopoly on the market. ZipTrader's price target is between $85 and $90. ZipTrader said JMIA will be a buying opportunity if we get a dip. Next up is PLTR. This is Palantir, and they're a data analytics company. Keenan Grace reminded us that ARK Invest bought PLTR on the dip. He also let us know that a Jefferies analyst gave a $40 price target, which is huge considering that analysts are typically very conservative with their price targets. Keenan Grace said now is the time to strike on PLTR. Chris Sain said this is at a buy zone that he could not pass up. And ZipTrader said there's still plenty of upside to his $55 price target. 90% upside to be exact. We have a buy-in price of $30, an ideal buy-in price of $27, and a stop-loss price of $23. We also have price targets ranging from $45 to $55. Next up is SIRC. This is Solar Integrated Roofing, and they're a solar roofing and EV charging station company. The traveling trader went into depth on SIRC on Sunday. He let us know about a California mandate that all new homes must have solar panels installed and how SIRC is positioned to take advantage of the demand in Southern California. Also in New Mexico, they passed a law that requires 100% of the energy in the state to be produced from renewable sources by 2045, and SIRC is expanding into New Mexico also. Also, SIRC is purchasing an electric vehicle charging station company that focuses on government contracts, and that will give SIRC an open door into getting coveted government contracts. The traveling trader went through a lot of other positive catalysts for SIRC, so I recommend you watch the traveling trader's video that he uploaded Sunday for more information on SIRC. And for those of you who do not have access to OTC stocks, you'll be happy to know that SIRC has applied for NASDAQ listing, so you should be able to trade it soon. If you can't wait to trade OTC stocks and want access to OTC stocks now, I recommend you open an account with TD Ameritrade. You can get anywhere from $50 to $1,000 when you sign up for TD Ameritrade, and you'll just need to contact me to get your unique referral code for that. In the description under promotions, you'll see a link for more promotions. Click more promotions and then contact me to get your bonus offer invite. Next up is ZOM. This is Zomedica, and they're a pharmaceutical company. Keenan Grace said to keep this on your radar because they are expected to start selling their Truforma diagnostic tool on March 30th. I will also let you know that technically you can see how this consistently bounces off of the 10-day EMA, and it is currently at the 10-day EMA. Okay, the next thing that I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to go over the stocks that are now under our buy under prices. Keep in mind that these are stocks that we have researched sometime in the past 4 weeks, so these may or may not still be good plays. This is not a recommendation to buy. This is simply a reminder that these are now under the buy under prices that we have set at some point in the past 4 weeks. First up is AAPL. We had a buy-under price of $137, an ideal buy-in price of $135, and it closed Friday at $129.87. Next up is ABML. We had a buy under price of $3.30, an ideal buying price of $3, and it closed Friday at $3.19. Next up is ACIC. We had a buy under price of $18, an ideal buying price of $16.50, and it closed Friday at $16.28. Next up is ALPP. We had a buy under price of $7, an ideal buying price of $5.60, and it closed Friday at $6.88. Next up is AMC. We had a buy under price of $6, an ideal buying price of $5.50, and it closed Friday at $5.70. Next up is APXT. We had a buy under price of $15, an ideal buying price of $14, and it closed Friday at $14.23. By the way, if I'm going too quickly for you, all of these ticker symbols are in the description. Next up is AQMS. We had a buy under price of $7, an ideal buying price of $6.50, and it closed Friday at $6.01. Next up is BEEM. We had a buy under price of $70, an ideal buying price of $60, and it closed Friday at $54.28. Next up is BFT. We had a buy under price of $18, an ideal buying price of $17, and it closed Friday at $17.39. Next up is C. We had a buy under price of $66, an ideal buying price of $65, and it closed Friday at $65.78. Next up is CTRM. We had a buy under price of $1.40, an ideal buying price of $1.20, and it closed Friday at $1.21. Next up is DCRB. We had a buy under price of $16, an ideal buying price of $15.60, and it closed Friday at $14.90. Next up is FB. We had a buy under price of $275, an ideal buying price of $265, and it closed Friday at $261.56. Next up is FCEL. We had a buy under price of $21.50, an ideal buying price of $20.50, and it closed Friday at $20.22. Next up is GM. We had a buy under price of $54, an ideal buying price of $50, and it closed Friday at $52.63. Next up is GNOG. We had a buy under price of $21, an ideal buying price of $20, and it closed Friday at $16.94. Next up is GNUS. We had a buy under price of $2, an ideal buying price of $1.75, and it closed Friday at $1.85. Next up is LI. We had a buy under price of $40, an ideal buying price of $30, and it closed Friday at $29.84. Next up is MBRX. We had a buy under price of $5.20, an ideal buying price of $4.80, and it closed Friday at $4.93. Next up is NIO. We had a buy under price of $56, an ideal buying price of $53.50, and it closed Friday at $55.03. Next up is NNDM. We had a buy under price of $14, an ideal buying price of $13, and it closed Friday at $13.87. Next up is OEG. We had a buy under price of $8.50, an ideal buying price of $7.75, and it closed Friday at $7.85. Next up is SBE. We had a buy under price of $40, an ideal buying price of $38, and it closed Friday at $36.34. Next up is SNDL. We had a buy under price of $1.90, an ideal buying price of $1.40, and it closed Friday at $1.53. Next up is SOL. We had a buy under price of $21, an ideal buying price of $20, and it closed Friday at $17.83. Next up is TELL. We had a buy under price of $4, an ideal buying price of $3.65, and it closed Friday at $3.58. Next up is TLRY. We had a buy under price of $30, an ideal buying price of $27, and it closed Friday at $29.21. Next up is TSLA. We had a buy under price of $820, an ideal buying price of $800, and it closed Friday at $781.30. Next up is TTCF. We had a buy under price of $26, an ideal buying price of $23, and it closed Friday at $22.78. Next up is UAVS. We had a buy under price of $11, an ideal buying price of $10, and it closed Friday at $10.32. Next up is XONE. We had a buy under price of $48, an ideal buying price of $38, and it closed Friday at $44.14. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and got a lot out of it. Comment down below what your favorite stock pick is for Monday. And if you want to get some free stocks, sign up for Webull or SoFi using my link in the description below. When you do, with Webull, you just have to deposit $100 and they're going to give you 2 free stocks worth up to $1,850. They're also going to give me 1 free stock. It helps you out and also helps the channel out. finally, remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon if you haven't already. I hope you have a lot of success trading, and I will see you tomorrow.